Here are 6 websites I personally recommend that can help you earn anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s per week. Let's dive into it. First one is a website called JustAnswer.com. Instead of relying on Google to self-diagnose your illnesses or interpret medical results, this platform allows you directly to experts in various fields 24/7. They accept professionals from different industries, ranging from car mechanics and plumbers to lawyers and doctors. Once you prove your expertise during the application process, you can start earning. After signing up, it usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks for the platform to verify you. Once approved, you can select the questions you want to answer, and the platform informs you of the payment for each question. According to their website, experts can earn up to $10 per month, but based on extensive research, most experts earn between $8 and $14. If you answer at least 18 questions a week, you could easily make over $1,000 per month. The next platform is usertesting.com. This platform is often referred to as the ultimate side hustle. Companies and brands will ask you to test their latest technologies, such as websites, applications, or plugins, and provide feedback on your user experience. Companies want to beta test their products before launching them, and that's where you come in. To apply, you need to complete a quick practice test to determine if you are a good fit. Once approved, you can search for test opportunities on your dashboard. You still need to go through a screening process for each test to ensure you fit the desired demographic. The payment for each test can range from $10 to $60. By taking 3 tests per week, you could easily average around $720 per month. Now, imagine a world where your Uber driver also helps you move. That's what you'll find on Dolly.com. This platform allows you to rent yourself out to help others with tasks they can't do alone. These tasks typically involve moving items around homes, making store deliveries, or assisting with apartment relocations. Through the Dolly app, users can enter their location and describe what they need help with. They are then paired with a helper who can assist them. After completing the task, users can leave reviews and, hopefully, a tip. Depending on whether you have your own vehicle or not, you can earn between $35 and $50 per hour. Helpers often find around 7 hours of work per week, allowing them to comfortably earn $1,400 per month. If you enjoy walking and have extensive knowledge about your city, GuruWalk.com offers an opportunity to make a full-time income as a tourist guide. GuruWalk is the largest platform of its kind, operating in 110 different countries. Tourists visit GuruWalk to find and book tours with local guides like yourself. Although the tours you offer are technically free, GuruWalk makes it clear to users that the payment is in the form of tips at the end of each tour. On their website, you can find a calculator that gives you an estimate of your potential earnings. GuruWalk doesn't take any commissions from you, but you can upgrade to their Pro plan for additional features and better tour search rank. By conducting 2 tours a day, 5 days a week, you could earn an average of €1,600 per month just by showing people around your city. Another website worth considering is REV.com. This platform allows anyone to make money online from the comfort of their own sofa. REV.com offers transcription services for audio and video files, as well as adding subtitles or captions to users' videos. Users upload their projects to the platform along with their requirements, and freelancers who have signed up with REV.com can choose from a list of available projects. This flexibility allows freelancers to work on different projects at any time. Each project specifies the expected earnings, which typically range from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute. After researching, the average payment for captions was found to be around 60 cents per minute. While this side hustle may not make you a millionaire, captioning 1 hour of video per week can earn you approximately $144 per month, which can cover your monthly Starbucks expenses. Lastly, there's a side hustle called Amazon Influencer that I personally find exciting. Almost anyone can make money with this opportunity. Amazon Influencer is a platform where you can create your own storefront and promote products to Amazon's massive user base. Unlike traditional affiliate marketing, where you rely on social media traffic, Amazon Influencer leverages Amazon's own traffic. Your product review videos will be displayed in the product gallery for potential buyers to watch. If someone watches at least 30 seconds of your video and makes a purchase within 24 hours, you earn a commission. This means you're creating content specifically for Amazon's 2 billion monthly users, eliminating the need to push links through social media. Currently, it's one of the best and easiest side hustles to generate a good income. By creating videos using your smartphone and posting 2 per day, 5 days a week, you could easily earn around $2,000 per month. So, there you have it, 6 websites you can start leveraging today to create an additional source of income. If you have any questions or specific video requests, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers before July, and every subscription counts. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.